Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to add testimonials on Squarespace. This is squarespace.com, and first I need to log in to my account by filling my email address and password. Now click on this website button below the website you want to add testimonials on. Go to Pages and select the page you want to work on. Let's work on this About page, for example. Click on this Edit button from the top to go into the editing mode, and click on this Add Section button, and from this left side menu, click on Testimonials. There are many templates you can go with. I will go with this one that have text and I can add images. This is my testimonials section, and to edit it, you can edit this section first by clicking on Edit Section. You can change or edit the background. You can make a background image, a background video, or an art like that, for example. You can also edit the colors. I think these are the colors. Let's keep the lightest one. And to edit the testimonials content, click on Edit Content. You can enable or disable the section title. You can also add a button below your testimonials. You can show images. Same thing with the title, the body, and the button below every testimonial. Now to edit the content, go to the Content tab. Click on Replace below the image to change your image. You can also add an alternative text to your image for SEO purposes. And for the title, this is testimonial title, and this is the testimonial text. Testimonial text. You can edit the text. For example, you can make it bold, italic, or underline it. Click on Back. To delete a testimonial, you can hit this trash bin, and to add a testimonial to your list, click on this Add below the testimonial. Let's see what is under the Design tab. You can edit the testimonial from a list to slideshow, or have a carousel. There are many elements or many things that you can edit. You can also edit the numbers columns. You can edit the columns number, and you can edit the image size. Let's keep it one on one. If you want to become a pro on Squarespace, I recommend you joining my university today for free in order to get access to this Squarespace online course. Inside this course, you can learn many things, including how to get started with Squarespace, how to design and customize your website, also some advanced customization and features, how to optimize your website for mobile and user experience, how to manage and maintain your website, and also advanced tips and best practices. To get access to this Squarespace online course for free today, plus all of these online courses and also the upcoming free courses in my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's go back to our tutorial. Don't forget to click on this Save button on this corner to not lose your editing. To preview your website live or your testimonials, click on this little arrow to go into the preview mode. And this is how to add testimonials on Squarespace. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.